Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to manage Codium updates. Keeping Codium up to date ensures you have the latest features and improvements, so let's get started. First, make sure you have the Codium installed in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codium. Now open your code editor and navigate to the extensions or plugins section. Here you will find a list of all the installed extensions including Codium. To check for updates, look for an option to update extensions or plugins. In VS Code, you can find this option under the extensions sidebar. Select on Check for updates to see if a new version of Codium is available. If an update is available, you will see an update button next to the Codium extension. Select on this button to start the update process. Once the update is complete, restart your code editor to apply the changes. This ensures that the new version of Codium is fully integrated and ready to use. To enable automatic updates, go to your code editor settings. In VS Code, navigate to Settings and then Extensions, and enable the Auto Update Extensions option. This will ensure that Codium and other extensions are always kept up to date automatically. Regularly check the Codium website or release notes for information on new features and improvements included in the updates. Staying informed about these changes can help you make the most of Codium's capabilities. If you encounter any issues after updating Codium, try reinstalling the extension. Remove Codium from your code editor and then reinstall it from the marketplace or plugin repository. Keep in mind that sometimes new updates might introduce changes that require adjustments to your settings or workflow. Review the update details and make any necessary modifications to ensure compatibility. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively manage Codium updates and keeping your Codium environment running smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.